Exercise 6.9, question number 8. In this exercise, we are learning a special concept called foot of the perpendicular and length of perpendicular. A point is given. We are using formula method. The point 4, 3, 2 implies, call that as u vector, treating with ijk, 4i plus 3j plus 2k. The plane, whatever they have given, x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 2. I rearrange this as r dot. Remember, x, y, z, you replace I, j, k. I plus 2j plus 3k equals to 2. Call this as n vector. Call this as p. Substitute all this in the formula. So the formula for foot of the perpendicular, u vector plus p minus u dot n into n vector by mod n square. So all that we need, let us find out. I want u dot n. What is u dot n? U is 4i plus 3j plus 2k dot n is I plus 2j plus 3k. If I simplify, it is I and I, j and j, k and k. So my answer is 16. P already I know. Now I want mod n. What is mod n? Root of squares 1, 4, 9. That is root 14. So let us simplify in that. Foot of the perpendicular equals u vector. What is u vector? 4i plus 3j plus 2k plus p minus u dot n. So p is 2 minus u dot n is 16 into n vector. N vector is I plus 2j plus 3k divided by mod n square is 14. So as I simplify, it is 4i plus 3j plus 2k. 2 minus 16 is minus 14. Minus 14 by 14 is minus 1 into I plus 2j plus 3k. As I subtract, my answer is 4i minus I is 3i. 3j minus 2j, j, 2k minus 3k minus k. So this is the foot of the perpendicular. Writing it as a point form, it is 3, 1, minus 1. So we call foot of perpendicular is a point, which we are writing as a point format. Now the second question is length of perpendicular. The length of perpendicular, we have done another model in the problem earlier. We are giving the new formula for it. You can do this method or that method. So the length of perpendicular is mod u dot n minus p by mod n. So that is del equals to, already we have found out all this here. U dot n is 16, p value is 2 divided by modulus of n is root 14. So I get del is equal to 14 by root 14, that is root 14 units. So we have found out foot of perpendicular and length of perpendicular using a formula. The next model is finding image of a point on a plane. See, this is a plane. A point is here. This is, let me say, u vector. I want to find the image, means this is a plane. The image will be here, say v vector. This point we call foot of the perpendicular. So earlier we have done foot of the perpendicular. Now my question is finding the image. For image, we have the formula here. V vector, the image. So this is image. U plus 2 P minus U dot N into N vector by mod N square. This we call N vector from the plane, and this number we call P, and this vector image of what? That is called U vector. So we'll substitute in this formula. Before that, what is U dot N? Let us find out. U vector is I plus 2j plus 3k dot N vector is I plus 2j plus 4k. Dot product implies I and I, j and j, k and k. So it is 17. Now I want to find out V vector, the image of U vector equals to U plus, what is U? It is I plus 2j plus 3k plus twice P minus U dot N. P is 38, U dot N is 17 into N vector. N vector is I plus 2j plus 4k divided by mod N square. What is mod N? It is root of squares. So I get 1, 4, 16. The total is root of 21. So I get mod N square means it is simply 21. Simplifying this answer, I plus 2j plus 3k plus 2 into 38 minus 17 is nothing but 21 into I plus 2j plus 4k divided by 21. 21 gets cancelled, so we shall add and write the answer. I plus 2j plus 3k plus 2 into I, 2 into 2j, 2 into 4k, which is nothing but 3I, 6j, 11k. So we have got the image of the point I plus 2j plus 3k is nothing but 3I plus 6j plus 11k. Exercise 6.5, question number 7. We need to find the foot of perpendicular from 5, 4, 2. Say this is 5, 4, 2. I want to find the foot of the perpendicular, this point, which is on the line. So what is the line given? X plus 1 by 2, y minus 3 by 3, z minus 1 by minus 1. Take this point as A and this point as B. So I want to find AB. Call this as the line. What is the direction of the line? The direction of the line is 2I plus 3j minus k. I have taken from the denominator. So this is direction of the line. Now one idea I can say, AB perpendicular to the line. AB perpendicular to the line. So that means AB direction, if I know, the dot product is equal to 0. First, what is the line? X plus 1 by 2, y minus 3 by 3 equals z minus 1 by minus 1. X, y, z are positive with coefficient 1. So I can proceed. To find B, where is B? On the line. Any point on the line, call it as T and find out. Remember, hide Y and Z. 2T minus 1. So any point is 2T minus 1. Hide X and Z. 3T plus 3. Hide X and Y minus T plus 1. Lies on first equation. So call this as number 1. So lies on first equation. What is A given to us? 5, 4, 2. So what is direction AB? Direction AB will be this minus this. So I will say difference of the points. Direction is nothing but difference of the points. I know the 2 points. Let me find out the difference. 2t minus 1 minus 5, 3t plus 3 minus 4, minus t plus 1 minus 2. As I simplify, it is 2t minus 6, 3t minus 1 and minus t minus 1. This is direction of AB. What is direction of the line given? Let us take the line as L. Direction is the denominator, that is 2I plus 3j minus k. Since they are perpendicular, I will say AB vector dot this L vector direction. Okay, direction of L line equal to 0. So dot product we take 2t minus 6 into 2 plus 3t minus 1 into 3 plus minus t minus 1 into minus 1 equals to 0. So we have taken direction of AB. We have taken direction of the line. Since they are perpendicular, dot product is equal to 0. Dot implies I and I, j and j, k and k. As I multiply, it is 4t minus 12 plus 9t minus 3 plus t plus 1 equals to 0. So we get 14t minus 14 equal to 0, that is t is equal to 1. So what is the point I get? The point B equals, substitute t1, 2t minus 1, that is 2 into 1 minus 1, 3t plus 3, 3 into 1 plus 3, minus t plus 1, minus 1 plus 1, that is 2 minus 1, 1, 3 plus 3, 6, minus 1 plus 1, 0. So, B is the point 160. Now I know what is A and B. My question is find equation of perpendicular. So we need to find equation of AB. What is A point? It is 5, 4, 2 and B point is 160. What is the equation? X minus x1 by x2 minus x1 equals y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 equals z minus z1 by z2 minus z1. So we get x minus 5 by 1 minus 5, y minus 6 by y minus 4 by 6 minus 4, z minus 2 by 0 minus 2. As I simplify, x minus 5 by minus 4, y minus 4 by 2, z minus 2 by minus 2, and this is the equation of the perpendicular. So in this question, we have discussed foot of perpendicular from a point to a line, and we have also found out what is the equation of that perpendicular.